This popular quote by Warren Buffett states, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until the day you die." In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down 9 guaranteed ways you can make money even while you sleep. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. These are actual things that work and have been proven to work by popular billionaires. Now, if you are ready to dive right in, let's go ahead to the first one, and that is dividend-paying stocks. Imagine owning a piece of company. That is what dividend stocks are. It's basically you putting money into companies such as Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson. When you do this, whenever the company makes a profit at the end of the year, you get what's called a dividend. That is the amount of money that they pay out to shareholders or people that own stock within their company. The ones that I will recommend are things like the S&P 500 and ETFs. Now, let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, you invest $10,000 into the S&P 500. This comprises of 500 different companies and the potential for you to make more money. That $10,000 that you invested in, let's say you're getting an ROI of 4% per annum on your money. That's actually $400 a year from each of the stocks that you own. Over 20 years, you're getting $30,000 on one of those stocks. So that is the beauty about dividend-paying stocks. You invest and let your money work for you. Number 2 passive income idea that can generate you money while you sleep is real estate rental. Now, here's the thing. If you look at it, people are gonna always want a place to stay. And the beauty about rental properties is that you are building equity in that property once you rent it out to a tenant. Now, if you are thinking about investing in real estate, there are so many different ways to do it. It doesn't have to start with you having a large sum of money to get started with. And that is the way most people are getting wealthy. They use debt to build assets, which generates money. We're living into a digital age where a lot of people are looking for solutions. And there's no better way than to put knowledge that you already know into a course. Now, the beauty about a course is that it has proven to be a billion-dollar industry. One of the biggest advantages of creating a course is that it creates a very lucrative passive income for you, because you create that course once and you put it on a site like Teachable or Udemy, and once you put it up, people will come on their website, which they get millions of views per month, and they will go ahead and purchase your course based on what they're looking for. And that is how you make passive income. You do it once and you consistently make money from that course without even lifting a finger. Number 4 is one that has been around for decades and is still a booming market because a lot of people use it in order to create more awareness for their products through influencers and just through anyone that creates content. We're talking about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is really just taking a product link and promoting it on your blog post, your website, your YouTube channel, and your social media accounts. So the first thing that you want to do is create an audience on social media, believe in the product that you're using, and promote it to others. That is the true way to do affiliate marketing. Now, I've done affiliate marketing for years, and I can tell you that it is one of the best ways to make money even while you sleep. All you have to do, go on Google and type in a product that you like or you have used and look if they have an affiliate program. Another way you can do this is using Amazon Associate. Amazon as an affiliate program, and if you also purchase things on Amazon a lot, you can recommend your audience to the product, and once they go to the link, you'll be able to make money. And you don't have to go and update anything. Once you have that link post in your link tree or in your bio or in your description, once people actually click on it and decide to purchase, you get a commission from that. Now, that is one of the realest ways you can actually make money while you sleep. Number 5 passive income that will generate millions while you sleep is creating your own book. Now, there are so many authors out there putting their books on Amazon. There's also Amazon KDP. They do this for a reason because they know that content is king. And if you actually put everything within a book that teaches people and you put it on these marketplaces, there's potential for you to make money while you sleep. Think of the book as a digital real estate. You put it on any of these platforms, People go there through searches and they purchase from you. You can do things like how to build wealth, how to get fit. There's so many different things that people are searching for on these platforms. And if you have the answer to that, you can actually package that into a book and publish it on Amazon. Nowadays, it's easier than ever to write a book and publish it. Number 6 is opening a high-heel savings account. Now, a high-heel savings account is different than a regular savings account. With a regular savings account, you put money in and inflation over time eats it away. Bank services also eats it away. But with a high-heel savings account, you put your money in and interest compounds on that money. The example is if you save $20,000 in a high-heel savings account with an APY of 4%, you can actually make $800 for that year. It's way better than putting down $20,000 in a regular savings and get zero, or they take money from you in that regard. Will it make you a millionaire? No, but over time, putting your money into a high-heel savings account will put money on top of what you've put in. So that is one of the things that the rich would do instead of having a regular savings account. It's all about compound interest. Once they put in money and money is able to go on that money, that is how most of them actually leverage these banks in order to make them more money. There's no secret that YouTube is one of the highest paying social media platforms that will pay you for your content. However, it does take consistency, hard work, and determination in order to grow your channel. YouTube is one of the best ways to make money while you sleep. Now, if you're someone that feels comfortable coming in front of the camera, it could be a great opportunity for you to build the life that you always wanted. With consistency, with effort, and with the right deliverability, you can become a successful YouTuber. In order to become monetized on YouTube, you would need to get 4,000 hours of watch time and have 1,000 subscribers within 12 months. Number 8 passive income idea is creating an app or tool. Now, we're living in the digital age, and a lot of people are using AI assistant and chat boxes in order to facilitate their daily requests. There are a couple of things that you can focus on in this industry, and preferably going after people that are having more buying power. So we're talking about wealthy people. And wealthy people, they're normally invested into real estate. So we're talking about a real estate investing app or calculator. We're talking about fitness. The wealthy, they take their fitness and lifestyle and their overall health really seriously. So if you can build a fitness tracker or something around that, you will be able to make money even while you sleep. Another thing is a budgeting app. Now, the wealthy, they also take their money seriously, and they want to know that whatever they're investing in or whatever they're doing, it's able to make them more money. So creating an app around any of these would be one of the most lucrative way for you to make passive income even while you sleep. Now, the last way a lot of people are able to make millions of dollars per year and become million and billionaires are creating a membership service. Now, membership service are basically covering things that people want to know about and consistently take part in. Create a community that people will want to be a part of. So for example, you can create a branding community for people who are looking to brand on social media. You can also create a community where they're talking about real estate investments. It's not about how much followers you have on social media. It's about the community that you have, the community that are willing to stay there with you to have that longevity of success. For example, you can have a community of 1,000 people that you charge $20 per month for that membership. That's $20,000 per month for people actually being a part of that community. And you don't have to go out and sell to these individuals one by one. Once they sign up for the membership, it will be an ongoing thing unless someone decides to cancel. But having a membership is one way to keep your audience close to you and consistently make that money even while you sleep. Now, before we close off this video, I want to take a moment to thank you for watching right until the end. If you're on your journey to financial freedom, be sure to tap that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.